Hey nail babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing / review on the House of Supplies icy box and nail subscription. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of nail videos. Like I said, here in this video I will be going ahead and showing you guys what I got here in the month of June. And if you guys are also new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And also do not forget to check down below the description for any of my social media, any discount codes, as well as any of my latest videos as well as throughout here, and also any of my social media, which will also be linked down below. Make sure to go follow me Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. And also, if you guys want to see where I got these subscriptions from, make sure to check down below in the description. So let's get on to seeing what I got here in the month of June. So as you can see here I have icy box and the nail subscription. So I kind of do want to start off by opening that nail subscription just because I do feel something a little thick in here. So I will be starting off by opening the nail subscription. So here, as you can see, I have the nail subscription. I will be going in with my Bell's Beauty Supply scissors, which I will also make sure link down below with my discount code so that way you guys can go ahead and save some money. But as you guys know, I always use these scissors to like open my packages because I love them. So I will be going ahead and starting off by opening the nail subscription, as you can see here, and I'm just gonna be going ahead and cutting her open. And I do want to mention these subscriptions do retail for $12.99 a month each. And if you guys haven't checked out my other past nail subscriptions, this is what the packaging looks like. It is pink with silver butterflies all over it here with the logo, which I think is super cute. So here's a quick little sneak peek on what I got here in the month of June. So to start off, the first thing that I did go ahead and receive are these humongous butterflies, which look at those. They look pretty cool. Ooh, and they look like they're like magnetic. So can't wait to open those up. And then here next, I also went ahead and got some charms, which I was thinking about ordering these, but look at me, good thing that I got them here. So these are just some little colorful nail charms. This is what these look like. And then the next thing that you see here, I did got some colorful roses as well, some little 3D flowers. Those look super cute, which I did get these in the past, I want to say. I'm not too sure, but I did get those. I also went ahead and grabbed a Born Pretty gel polish, which can't wait to see what that one looks like, which actually it's a super top coat, so this is what it is. And then last but not least, I also went ahead and grabbed this gel polish, which I'm not sure what it looks like, but it does say watercolor nail gel, so can't wait to see what the color looks like. But that's everything that I got here in the nail subscription. Okay, so now to go into detail onto what I got. So the first thing that I do want to see what the gel polish looks like. So it does come in this bag that I just ripped, which I guess I'm just gonna rip her open. So as you can see, this is like one of their like regular gel polishes, and it does come sealed, which we love that. So it does say watercolor nail gel, so it is wrapped. So I'm just gonna open it really quick. So as you guys can see, this is what the gel looks like. So it just looks like a regular clear gel. I'm not too sure what it is, but it does say watercolor nail gel, so I'm not too sure how you use it or what, but this is what it looks like, and this is a 7 ml. The next product that I have here are these butterfly little magnetic charms, which they look super cute. I just wish they had like the exact pair and not necessarily different designs, or if they did, I wish that they had a pair. So this is what they look like. So as you can see, we have like a green one, like a whitish purple one, a pink with purple, like a dark blue with white, an orange with purple on one side, and this rainbow looking one, and then the middle part is gold, and then here on the bluish ones it's like black. So just to show you guys really quick, since they are magnetic, this is what the first one looks like. So the material of it, it's definitely like a thick fabric, but for the most part it is a magnet. As you could see, this is what it looks like, and then It just sticks onto it, so that's pretty cool. Although I will say I feel like nobody's really gonna get this, only because of the type of material that it is for like an everyday use, and it is very, very thin. It's not like something heavy as well, so I feel like that's like a good thing. But since it is kind of light, I do think that it's very easy to like kind of lose. If you guys really think about it, it might get stuck on something, like the fabric might get stuck on something. But this is super cute, and I've never seen anything like this, so I definitely love this product, and I cannot wait to do some little videos with it. And then here next, we did get these 3D colorful roses, which I did want to say I did get these in the past subscription. So they're just very colorful 3D flowers, roses, whatever you guys want to call them, but this is what they look like. And then the next product that I do have here are these little colorful nail charms, which I have been seeing these, which I think they're super cute right now for like the summer, like just something different, like a different vibe of charm. So I cannot wait to use these. These look super cute. I feel like these will probably become popular, but not like too trendy, but these are definitely cute. Can't wait to use those. And last but not least, we did also get the super top coat, so just another top coat. So I kind of think this is a top coat. If not, I want to say this is maybe something like a blooming gel. I'm not too sure, but here is a top coat. And now I will be going ahead and unboxing the icy box. So same thing, $12.99 a month, and also the packaging is pretty much the same. So now I will be going ahead and unboxing this one. So this one is the icy box, the other one was the nail subscription. So definitely comment down below if you guys think that either or is better, because honestly I have been thinking about getting rid of one of them, but I'm not too sure. But here is the icy box, and again, I did open it with my Bell's Beauty Supply scissors. Here's a little sneak peek on what I got here for the month of June. And the first thing that I got here were some crystals, some AB crystals. Look at that, can't wait to use those. Here next, I also went ahead and got another wax pencil, so just in a different color. This one's kind of like with the orange crystals in the middle. And then here also, I also went ahead and got some butterfly charms, which these are super cute. They are gold with transparent clear on them. And then next, I also went ahead and got some clear tinted transparent roses in 3D. And then also I also went ahead and got some crystals in AB in mixed sizes, as you could see here. So here, as you can see, I did go ahead and get some crystal AB crystals in 6 different sizes. So from smallest to biggest, I want to say this is maybe like 12, maybe a 10, maybe a I want to say like a 9, a 7, a 6, and maybe a 4. So this is in crystal AB. And then also I also went ahead and got some crystal AB shapes, which I can't wait to add these to my collection. As you can see, they are a mix of 12 different sizes, and this is what they look like. Well, 12 different shapes, sorry. And then here next, also went ahead and grabbed these flowers, which I did already get these in the past, but you know, you could always add more to your collection. So I did get like a different range of colors and the little transparent tint ones. So as you can see, this is what these look like, which I did already get in the past. And I also went ahead and got these shapes in the past as well. So I'm happy that I can add more to my collection now. And then here, like I did mention, I did get these gold clear butterflies. And I believe it is a 10-piece, just 10 different ones of those. And then I also went ahead and got a wax pencil, which as you could see, it is the same thing that I got from the last one, except it's just like another different color crystal in the middle. So pretty much the same. So this is everything that I got here for the icy box. Okay, so as you can see, this is everything that I got here in the month of June. So here is the stuff that I got from the nail subscription, and then here is the stuff that I got from the icy box, which I feel like is pretty obvious this time around since I did get bling. I got charms, although I did get more charms for the icy box as well, but I don't mind at all. But what I will say is that I did get 1, 2, 3, 4 different things that I did already get in the past, which I'm not too upset about, but it's still kind of like, I could have gotten something different, you know. So that's just the only pet peeve that I have. But other than that, I really enjoyed everything that I got here for the month of June. Although, like I did say, I did get some repeats, but I did like that I did get repeated crystals, wax pencil, because they always do come in handy, and as well as charms. It's very, very expensive, I feel like, nowadays to get charms, but I feel like for just only paying $13 each month is not bad at all for any of these products here. Like this alone at the nail supply is probably like $8. This pack is probably like $12 alone for the entire subscription. But I definitely enjoy everything that I got, although like I said, I did get repeats. But here for the nail subscription, I would get like 8 out of 10, only because of the charms of these flower charms right here, and because I did get this gel that was clear. I'm not really sure what it is, but really that's the only reason why. But other than that, I really did enjoy that I got 2 new items here in my collection, so that way I could add it to the charms. And then here for the icy box, I did really enjoy everything that I got, although I will say I did get the same flowers and I did get the same shapes and little crystal wax pencil. Even though, like I said, they do come in handy, it's definitely those five plus. So I would definitely give the icy box a 10 for this month of June. And for this month, I also did went ahead and got 5 items for each subscription, which I do like, so that way they're both even. But I did really enjoy everything that I got here for the month of June. And definitely make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. If you guys got the same items, if you guys got different items, what did you guys get? I would definitely love to read the comments. So make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions as well as make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite item. But I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this month of June. Like I said, make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. And also, if you guys enjoyed, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on the post notifications, so that way you get notified to my upload. And also, do not forget to check down below in the description for this subscription if you guys are interested. It is very, very affordable for what you get. So I definitely recommend, if you guys love to even collect or just want to start adding up your collection, this is perfect. If you guys want to get multiple items a month, whether it's a surprise or not, I definitely love everything that I got here for the month of June, like I did mention. And also, do not forget to check down below the description for any of my social media. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. Make sure to go show some love if you guys want to see what I be posting on there, tutorials or watch me works, whatever the case may be. Make sure to go check it out if you guys haven't yet. Also, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below, as well as throughout this one, so make sure to check them out and click on them if you guys want to see what else I have been up to, what else I have been trying out, and all that good stuff. And also, do not forget to use any of my discount codes, so that way you guys can go ahead and save some money when shopping with any of the brands that I work with. So make sure to go check those out if you guys haven't. I definitely loved everything that I got. I would definitely give the whole entire thing maybe like an 8 out of 10, although I did get some really good items. I did get some repeated ones, so I'm not too mad about it. But I did really enjoy everything that I got, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said again, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, subscribe to the channel, and I would definitely see you guys in the next one.